This is an American passport. It's powerful, it's amazing. If you are an American, no one can mess with you. I want this passport, and many people in the world do, because this comes with the American dream. But I have just arrived to a place where people have the citizenship, but not the dream. This is a community in Puerto Rico that was struck by a hurricane 6 months ago. And until now, these guys have no electricity, no rooftops, no cell service, and some don't even have clean water. These are American citizens who have served their country, that are now living on car batteries, basic water filters, ice coolers, and patience. This is not a conservative versus liberal. This is not a Republican versus Democrat. This is an American issue. If a country is as strong as its most vulnerable members, then how strong is an American citizenship? That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.